Hey YouTube, it's Lauren here with My Pink Hanger. I am a full-time frugal fashion reseller. If you're not familiar with my channel or if this is your first time here, thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe if you're not already. It really helps me. I am just jumping on today because I'm going to do a quick haul video. We are in the coronavirus, so we are all stuck at home. I'm not currently able to source the way I normally would, which is by going to thrift stores. So I am relying on consignment and donations currently, and I have 3 bags of stuff. You can't see it, but it's down here. I haven't pulled anything out of the bags, and I'm just gonna open it and kind of go through it with you. I picked up these donations 4 days ago? 5 days ago, so they've been quarantined in my garage, and we're gonna see what's in there. This is just from an angel on Instagram who donated this to me, and she used to work at Nordstrom, so let's see what's in it. Her friend actually donated to me. If you've watched any of my other videos or follow me on Instagram, I called it the Epic Free People Anthro haul, and so that was from her friend. So she said she didn't have as good as stuff as her friend, but we'll see. And I don't know if I necessarily believe her because I feel like all people who work at Nordstrom dress really well and have a cute wardrobe. So anyways, let's dive in. There's 3 bags, and I'm just gonna start with the first one and show you guys what's in there. Oh, a BP, little sandal, 5.5, cute little tiny feet. Those are cute. I like those. New look. These are cute. Look at how cute those babies are. Oh my gosh, this is making me wish I was a small size. Size 4/30, does that say 31? 37. These are so cute. I wish these fit me. Look at how cute. I want to hold them like that so you can see the little gold detailing. Very cute. Oh, one of my other friends said that I say cute too much, so I'm gonna try to not say cute as much. Ooh, okay. Vince Camuto, size 5.5, a leather sandal heel. I like those. Black, great color, very basic, goes with everything. And then looks like one other pair. Oh, these are like brand new. Sam Edelman flats. I've sold these before. These sell pretty quickly. They're cute, like fallish burgundy color, wine color, I guess you would say. So that was the first bag. And now let's go on to the second bag, which looks like it's all clothing. I'm gonna put the bag there and just pull from it. This looks like something I would like. This is a Zara. It's like an army military jacket with some gold studs. I like this. It's very cute, even though I'm not supposed to be saying that. What else do you say? Cool, fun, exciting. What's this? Oh, a moth again. That's a cute anthro piece. Little cardigan with the yellow flowers. I like that one. Oh my gosh, all this stuff smells really good. Her detergent smells yummy. Soft and Sexy tank from, is that American Eagle? Yep. It's tie-dye, and tie-dye is all the rage. Cute. What are these? These look fun. Captain America Marvel sweats. Those are fun. I bet these also sell well, just because we're all buying more sweats because of we're all at home from the coronavirus. Ari. Those are cute little cut off drawstring. What is this? Sun and Shadow blouse with some lace in the back. And it's a little longer in the back. I like that. I think that's a size small. I think all this is, oh, it's an extra small. I think all this is small. Oh, this is Vince Camuto. A floral tank. I don't see the size tag, but I like this one. It's fun. Oh, here's the tag. no size. Oh, no, no size. I'll have to find that size for when I list it. What else do we got here? This looks fun. Cute. Beltrex. Extra small. I like this. It's like a white peasant blouse. Can never have too many white blouses. I don't know why, but I always think I look the best in white. Here's a Zella workout top. Oh, this is cute. Stuck together. But look at it. It looks brand new. It's a size extra small. That's the back. I like that front little cutout in the chest. That's really cute. Splendid extra small camo thermal. Everybody needs a good camo tee. I have a few. What is this? Zara. It says the cutest. It's a dog and a cat. It's a fun graphic tee. A couple more things in here. Zara top. It's like burgundy striped. Let's see, Zara skirt. I like this. That's fun. If I have anywhere to go anytime soon. Porridge, I think. A white tee. And I dropped something. This freshly dry cleaned Joie Razorback tank. And on the top of this I see a purse, so we're gonna start in the purse. And she did text me and tell me that there's jewelry or a couple necklaces in the purse, so let me open the purse first and start with that. Here's the little purse. Look at how cute this is. It's like a small navy. It's real leather. It's Lucky brand. Like a cute crossbody. I actually really like this. I think I like it because it's like so small and it's real leather. And then this is a necklace statement. We all love a statement. And then this is, I think, is that House of Harlow like pendant necklace. Cute. All right. Chaser champagne leather rock and roll distressed sweatshirt. Ooh, these have the tag. Anthro petite sanctuary. They're like a jegging, like pants, but they're have a pattern on them. They're cute, like a paisley pattern. Brand new, the tags. Guess we all buy stuff that we never wear, huh? What is this? Miracle City. This is a cute crochet fringe vest. HD in Paris. Ooh, I like this. Look at this white top. It's a size extra small. Very cute. A little longer in the back than the front. What is this? 860 extra small. Floral tank with a little ruffling on the front. It's like a good spring piece. Ooh, this skirt looks cute. Maeve. Size 2. This is like really, really cute. Everything Maeve I seem to like. Z Supply. Is this a skirt or a skirt? It's a skirt. Mustard wrap mini skirt. This feels expensive. Fighting Eel Made in Paradise, or 8 Fighting Eel. I've never heard of this. I'll have to look it up because here's the tag so you can see it, but I'll have to look this up because it feels super expensive. I think this is a little striped dress. I like that. It's super cute. Oop. Hinge new with tags. Size extra small. And I really like this because it has like a low back. Not low, but just lower. Yep, and it does have the new attacks. Another Z Supply. This is a cute tie waist dress. Top shop, size 4. Oh, I like this. Look at this collar. Jeweled, and then it's just kind of like a white basic dress. That's fun. Really like the jeweling on the neck of that. Aqua, extra small. It's like a blue leopard, oversized, and then it kind of has like a tank top under it. It's not two pieces, it's all one. Pair of jeans. Oh gosh, this girl is so tiny. These are like so tiny. Who makes these? Monkai? I don't know this brand. They're cute though. Cute skinny jean. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is this? Honey Bella, size small. I like this too. It's just like a shift dress. I like the pattern though. Kind of has a little flare at the end, and it's crisscross in the back. Ooh, and my last piece, JOA, size small. Very cute. So it's like that, like semi-sheer, I guess is what you want to call it, on the top, and then it's also like that down the back. It's just a great, this is like a really great LBD. Very, very cute. Amy, if you watch this, thank you so much. I appreciate the donations. Thank you guys all for watching. Leave me any questions you have in the comments and I would be happy to answer them. And I hope everybody has a great day.